You know, Roco, every journey we take makes me braver.
That's right, Tim. You've come a long way from hiding from thunder and ghost stories.
Remember how I used to shiver at the sound of thunder?
And how you jump at every ghost tale the other trains told?
Not anymore. Each adventure with you makes me feel invincible.
You've faced your fears head on, Tim. That's inspiring.
I guess it's true. Facing the unknown isn't as scary when you have someone by your side.
And you've been that someone for me too, Tim.
I used to be afraid of tunnels. Now I look forward to discovering what's inside each one.
That's the spirit. Together, there's no adventure too daunting for us.
Look at that view, Roco. There's so much beauty in the world when you embrace it.
And so many more adventures waiting for us.
To more adventures, my friend.
To more adventures.